The apartment search spreadsheet is the ultimate tool to help you find the best apartment. Today I'm going to show you how to use the spreadsheet. So as you can see here, the spreadsheet is comprised of 5 different sheets. And basically what you do is you start and work your way from left to right across all the sheets until all the information is complete. The first tab here includes the instructions which show you how to use the sheet, as well as a color-coded key. The next tab is the apartment tab, and this is where we're actually going to enter all of the data for each apartment which we have collected. So as you can see here, I'm entering the name Spring Valley up into the top row here, and now I can enter all my data like rent per month, parking fees, any monthly expenses in the first category. It's all divided up into different categories. Now we have move-in fees. You can see what your monthly and yearly costs are going to be. Other living areas category. Community, distance to work, and here we have yes or no drop-down lists. So above we had values that were entered as numbers. Now down here we have drop-down lists where you can only enter a yes or no. Utilities, again, another yes or no drop-down list. If some of the data you don't have, just leave it blank, and at the bottom it's going to compute your total score. So we'll go over to the scoring tab here, and here's our sliders where you will actually rank each category from the previous tab. So if rent is more important to you, you will give that a higher rank. Move the slider more to the right. If things like utilities are less important to you, move the slider more to the left. Every apartment that you enter data for is going to be represented in this bubble chart above as a dot. Now each of these dots convey 3 pieces of information. The x-axis value represents the total score based on the rating system. The y-axis value represents the total monthly cost. And the size of the dot is proportional to the total area. So the more square foot an apartment is, the bigger the dot's going to be in the chart. The farther right a dot appears on the bubble chart, the higher score it has. But the further up you go on the chart, the more costly it's going to be. So where you want to be is actually at the bottom right-hand corner of the chart. You're going to have the highest score and the lowest monthly cost. Another way to compare apartments is to go back to the apartment data tab and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll see the total score for each apartment as well as the total monthly cost. We also have little indicators here, which all the apartments that are the best fit for you will show up as a little green dot. Any which are okay will be a yellow dot, and ones that are definitely not recommended for you show up with a red dot. We also automatically rank the top 5 apartments recommended for you. And there you have it. That's the apartment search spreadsheet. Please visit www.apartmenthunterhq.com and download the spreadsheet today. Thanks.